it's Dr. Watson with another video on note reading, and this week it's eighth notes that we're going to discuss. Let's do a little bit of review first to see where we've come from. So, for instance, we started the year with whole notes, and whole notes were just a plain circle. Could be on any line or space of the staff, but in 4/4 time, a whole note was called a whole note because it took up the whole measure. In other words, it lasted for all 4 beats of the measure. So a whole note is 4 beats long in 4/4 time signature. Now, half notes, we just cut that whole note in half. So here is one of the half notes. By the way, the stem might go up, the stem might hang down. I'm going to put it up. So here we have 2 half notes. So each half note is half of the measure of 4 beats. So 1, 2 for the first half note, 3, 4 for the second half note. Each half note is worth 2 beats, right? Either 1, 2, or 3, 4. 2 beats long. So whole note is ta, half note is just ta. And if we have 2 of them, it's ta, ta. All right, now we're ready to go to quarter notes. We basically fill in that circle. Still have the line. Each quarter note is only worth 1 beat because we have 4 of these quarter notes to fill up the whole measure. So beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. Each one of them is just one of the beats, right? 1, 2, 3, or 4. So here we have ta, 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 ta. So we keep getting shorter. In fact, we keep getting exactly half as long as the previous note. So with our whole note, right, the whole note was worth 4 beats. Lasted the whole measure. The half note was worth 2 beats. Notice that's half of 4, right? Half note is half of a whole, 2 beats. And then the quarter note is half of that. It's only 1 beat long. And we need 4 of them to last a measure. So we started with 4. We cut it in half, went to 2. Cut that in half, went to 1. So here's the big math question is, if we cut 1 in half, what's the next number going to be? Well, it's going to be 1/2. And half of what? Well, beats, right? 4 beats was a whole note. 2 beats long was a half note. 1 beat long was a quarter note. An eighth note is the next rhythm that we're going to be discussing today, and an eighth note is a half a beat long. It's a pretty short duration. Let me draw our staff here just to illustrate very quickly. Right, there's our 5-line staff, and we'll say we're in 4/4 time again. And we're going to put 8 of these eighth notes in the measure. Eighth notes usually occur in pairs, so that's a pair of eighth notes, right? That's not 1 eighth note, that's 2 eighth notes, but there's half beat, half a beat. Okay, so that makes the first beat. I'm going to put an and to show the second half of the beat, 1 and. All right, now the next pair of eighth notes is going to be on the second beat. That's going to be 2 and. And the next pair of eighth notes is going to be on the third beat. That's going to be 3 and the last pair of eighth notes is on our 4th beat, 4 and. Each one of these is just half a beat long, half a beat long. But if you were to do the math and add up half plus 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 half, you'd wind up having 4 total beats, right? We fill up the whole measure with these little half a beat eighth notes. All right, so again, just to review, here we had ta for 4 beats. Here we had ta, ta, 2 beats each. Here we had ta, 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 1 beat each. Here we have t, 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 t. These move very quickly because they're only a half a beat long. So eighth notes are our newest rhythm. They go twice as fast as quarter notes. They're only a half a beat long. Okay, let's put what you're learning about eighth notes into practice and see if you actually can read these rhythms in actual music. So for instance, in 4/4 time, let's say we had a quarter note on the first beat, but a pair of eighth notes on the second beat, and then a quarter note on the third beat, and then let's say we had a quarter rest, which we've discussed that in previous videos, a quarter rest on the 4th beat. So in counting, right, I want to say something for the first beat. Well, I'm going to just say 1. Since it's a quarter note, just going to say 1. But here on the second beat, where I have a pair of eighth notes, I'm not going to just say 2. I have to say something for this second eighth note. I'm going to say and I use a plus sign for and. On the third beat, just 3, since it's a quarter note. And on the 4th beat, we are going to say 4. I like to whisper rest, so we're going to just whisper 4. So the counts here would be 1, 2, and 3, 4. And it would be played, let me get an instrument. I could play it on drums, but I'm going to play it on a trumpet today here. I'm going to play this, and it would sound like this. Rest. Okay, so ta, ti, ti, ta. That's how we execute those eighth notes. All right, let's try another rhythm over here. Let's start the measure with eighth notes. Let's do 1 and for the first beat, right? So a pair of eighth notes on the first beat. On the second beat, I'm going to put a quarter note. On the third beat, I'm going to put 2 more eighth notes. And on the fourth beat, I'm going to put 2 more eighth notes. Now, on the first beat, we would count it how? All right, hopefully in your own space, you're saying 1 and, Dr. Watson, right? On the first beat, we'd say 1 and because we have 2 notes. All right, what would you say for the second beat, where there's only a quarter note? I hope you're thinking just 2. All right, on the third beat, where we have 2 eighth notes, we're not going to say 1 and, because it's not the first beat, it's the third beat. So we would say what? 3 and, all right? So we're going to say 3 and, because that's the third beat, and the fourth beat would be 4 and. So the counts here would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. And again, let me play it on an instrument. Grab my trumpet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so hopefully you're getting the idea of how to count eighth notes. Well, we have one more measure. I want to try another rhythm. Let's start with a rest on beat 1. Let's put a quarter note on beat 2. And let's put a pair of eighth notes on beat 3. And put a quarter rest on beat 4. I know this is a quarter note and it's 1 beat, but we're not going to put 1 on top of it because the 1 beat that this quarter note takes up is not the first beat, right? 1 means it's on the beginning of the measure. So the beginning of the measure is actually this rest. So we're going to whisper 1. Which beat does this quarter note occur on? It occurs on beat number 2, right? The second beat. And we aren't going to say 2 and, we're just going to say 2 because it's just a quarter note. Now, on the third beat, we do have a pair of eighth notes, so the counts there would be what? 3 and. Okay, so here we go, 3 and. We get to the fourth beat, we have a rest. So on the fourth beat, we're going to whisper the count for that rest, which is 4. So the counts here would be like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's how it would sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. Now, one thing we haven't done is an entire measure of eighth notes. I want to go back to this second measure, and I'm going to adapt it. I'm going to change this second beat to include a pair of eighth notes so that you can see 1 and 2 and. I need to put an and there. Right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Anyway, this would be an entire measure of eighth notes. Let me play just this measure here for you. We'll count it first. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we'll play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so these are only a half a beat long. They go by pretty quickly, right? They go by pretty quickly, at least at this tempo. I want to also do a little bit of math with you. Why are they called eighth notes? Well, anytime one object is 1 out of 8, right? There's actually 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anytime something is just 1 out of 8 total, we say it's 1/8 of the total. And that's why eighth notes are called eighth notes, because they're 1 out of 8. Same thing with quarter notes. They're 1 out of 4 in 4/4 time. Or half notes are 1 note out of 2 half notes. And whole notes are the only note out of, so 1 out of 1 is a whole. You'll be playing eighth notes in band soon enough. Our percussionists are playing them earlier, so they've already been counting with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But soon our wind players are going to be counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and as they play faster notes, as they play eighth notes. Good luck with your eighth notes.